Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel How to Use Basics. Today in this video I'm gonna show you how can you create a room in the Character.AI. First open a Character.AI on a device and make sure you have logged into your Character.AI. If you have logged into a Character.AI, you can see this interface and you can see create option over to your bottom. Simply tap on it and you can see character, group chat, personal and voice. Tap to group chat. Add a selected member in a room and you can change the group name over here. After changing your group name and adding a member in your group, tap to create group chat. And here you have created a room in a Character.AI. So here you can have a unique conversation with your friends and share the ideas with your friends. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you found this video helpful and informative, hit the thumbs up button and make sure you have subscribed our YouTube channel for more popular content. Don't forget to hit that notification bell so you won't miss our future episodes. Comment your problems in comment section. Thank you for watching us.